I thank you for the beautiful speech that we have. Also, the big effort that you give us against the big company. We are in Venice. Venice is a big art town created by the effort of a lot of people, a lot of spread effort by building one unique town. Is there, in your opinion, a parallel between new media and the building of new media entertainment made by a lot of people, spread, audience spread, and activities divided in a lot of...
Well, the interesting thing is, you know, if you go back, Venice was built in the Renaissance, right? And so the great craftsmen, this is in the 14 and 1500s, right? So the world was a different world then. It was very localized. So great work would happen in Florence or Paris or Venice, and everybody came there. But now the world is no longer a place. It is the meta-universe. It is the cyberspace. It is the World Wide Web. It's now everyone is connected. And since everyone is connected, now the ability to come together from all over the world is much, much easier. And we're seeing great collaborations of artists and creative people and software people coming together in this new universe that doesn't have boundaries. It's a worldwide effort. And I see that happening now.
As you see, now there is a lot of spread in the work, so the production is divided. But still there is a big centralization of the final decision of a movie or a production. Will we arrive in a totally spread production? Is it possible to produce something without one unique guide?
Well, it depends what it is you're producing. I think one unique person and vision is really important, but that if we look at animation, for example, you don't see one unique person, you see a group of people creating animation. If you look at feature films, it's one unique person's vision. But in this new universe of the World Wide Web, it's a lot of people's visions. And I see the world becoming much more democratized and much more global in the creation of art, in the creation of commerce, in everything. The world is changing, borders are going away, and so it's no longer Italians and Chinese, and you know, in 100 years it will be the world, not the Chinese, the Russians, the French, the Americans. It will become a world that is unified. That's my hope.
Okay, say hello.
Ciao.